Hi friends, today we are going to see about the big table. So yesterday we have seen cloud spanner. So yes, today we are going to see the big table. Okay, so big table, a petabyte scale fully managed NoSQL database service for large analytical and operational workloads. Cloud Bigtable is Google's NoSQL big data database service. It's the same database that powers many core Google services, including search, analytics, maps, and Gmail. So then what can I do with Cloud Bigtable? We are going to see the key features of the Bigtable. So Bigtable offers high performance under high load. Large applications and workflows are faster, more reliable, and more efficient running on Bigtable. Bigtable is ideal for storing large amounts of data with very low latency. Databases can automatically and seamlessly scale to billions of rows and thousands of columns, allowing us to store petabytes of data. You only pay for the amount of storage which you use because Bigtable it's a fully managed service. You don't you don't need to worry about configuring and tuning your database for performance or scalability. Google will also create backups of your data to protect against catastrophic events. Catastrophic it means involving or causing sudden great damage, that is catastrophic events, and allow for disaster recovery. Big tables offered through the same open source industry standard APIs, HBase, the native database by the Apache Hadoop project. The HBase compatible interface provided by Bigtable supports movement of applications between HBase and Bigtable. As Bigtable is part of the GCP ecosystem, it can interact with other services and third-party clients. In terms of security, all data in Bigtable is encrypted both in flight and at rest, while access to Bigtable data is easily controlled through IAM, Identity Access Management permissions. Okay, when to use Bigtable? When to use Bigtable? So, use for very fast scanning and high throughput, low latency. Use for non-structured key value data, where each data item less than 10 MB and total data greater than 1 terabyte. So for this case, we can use Bigtable. Then use where writes infrequent, unimportant, no acid, no atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. If we don't require acid properties, then we can use the Bigtable. But we need fast scans, crucial. Then we can use for time series data also. So Bigtable, when we need to use means we can use for time series data also. Then we can go with Bigtable. So Cloud Bigtable, it's the same service Google uses. So I have already told. So for these services, so Bigtable services, Cloud Bigtable, we can use it. We are using it. So Cloud Bigtable, it's a fast, fully managed, infinitely scalable. So fast in the sense consistently fast. That means essentially single digit millisecond retrievals gets essentially consistent no matter how big the data, how the data size is. So no matter how big the data size is. So it's fully managed and infinitely scalable. Customers can also use the Cloud Bigtable. Okay. Next is use cases. So IoT, machine data, server metrics, time series, attack marketing, fraud risk analytics, and geospatial financial data. For this, we can use the big table. So next one is creating a cluster. So name, create an instance, name or ID. It's a uniquely identifies cluster. Zone, location of the cluster. So zone, yeah, big table. It's a zonal service. So minimum number of node is three here. Here we have storage option SSD and HDD. SSD it's lower latency. SSD it's more expensive, lower latency service than HDD. HDD. So if you are having much larger data sets, that's past the access. So large data sets, we can go with HDD option. Then cluster online within seconds. Within seconds, we can create the cluster. Okay. So next we are going to see the lab. How to use the HBase shell to connect to a cloud bigtable instance, perform basic administrative tasks, and read and write data in a table. So we are going to create a cloud bigtable instance. Then we are going to connect our instance. Then read and write data. I have given the link here. You can follow this link. So I have given the in-depth here. Okay, so I'm going to the console now, GCP console. So here, go to this home page and under the storage, we need to click the Bigtable. So Cloud Bigtable, it's a fully managed NoSQL database that supports the popular open source Apache HBase. Okay, so I'm going to click the create instance. Yes, so instance page has been opened. So we need to fill this form. The instance name for display purpose only. So I am giving like a HID instance. Okay. HID instance. Okay. So instance ID it's permanent. Automatically it will come here. Then instance type we have two options here: production and development. Production is recommended. So for productions minimum of three nodes for high availability. We can't downgrade later. So if you are selecting the production environment, we can't change to development. Okay, from production to development, we can't do that. So that's what they have given. Cannot downgrade later. If we are selecting this development option, it is low cost instance for development and testing. So it's used for development and testing, then does not provide a high availability. It will not provide the high availability or replication. Then we can here, we can upgrade to production later. From development to production, we can upgrade these things later. Okay, now I am selecting the development. Then storage options. We have storage options too. Storage options SSD and HDD. So SSD it's lower latency and higher throughput, higher read query per second. So typically used for real-time serving use cases, real-time use cases, serving use cases. Then HDD it's a higher latency for random reads. So typically used for batch analytics and such as machine learning or data mining. For this we can go with HDD. Okay, if I'm selecting, see friends, if I'm selecting this development, here the nodes is single node, it will be like that. See friends, the equivalent of single nodes only. If I'm selecting production, automatically the node it's coming. Okay, so we can enter the node whatever we want. So now I'm going with development only. So here also entering like that. So here I'm selecting the region, US central one, and here zone. US Central on C. This cluster ID will be coming automatically. So Hyderabad HID instance hyphen C1. Okay. So location, region, and zone we have selected it. Nodes, it's one only. Automatically it will be because it's a development instance type. Okay. So here replication guidance. So in this replication guidance, provision enough nodes for each cluster to keep the cluster average CPU utilization under 70%. So they have given the replication guidance. Okay, then we are going to click the create. Let's wait for it. The big table, the instance created, the instance, yeah, the instance has been created it now. The next step is, yeah, we are done with created the cloud big table instance. Next we are going to connect our instance. So how to connect? Go to that console. Yeah, so I have copied that link from, I mean, script from here only. So this one is a repository. So clone the repository that contains the HBase shell files, then change to the directory for the HBase shell. So HBase, it's the Google columnar data store. So here I am going to enter cd cloud bigtable examples quick start. So created the instance. Right, okay. I have copied the link only. I have copied the script from here only. So I will share this link. Just enter this one. Now we are in this quick start file. Then next step is, so now we have done this one. Then start the HBase shell. Quickstart.sh. Now start the HBase shell. Let's wait for it. So it will take time, like I think 2 minutes it will take, not more than 2 minutes. We have connected our instance, then we are going to write and read and write the data. So we are going to create the table by using the table name my table and column family. Column family name is CF1. Then we are going to list our tables. Then we are going to put the value. So value is this test value. This is, we can give whatever value we can give. Then row we are going to give row one is value, we can give as per our requirement. Then column family, already we have given this column family. Then we are going to use the scan command to scan the table and read the data which we have added. And finally we will be deleting the table. So that's what we are going to do it now. Yeah, now we have entered into the HBase. See friends, here they are given. So Cloud Bigtable stores data in tables which contains rows. Each row is identified by a row key. Data in a row is organized into column families or group of columns. So first we are going to create a table named my table with one column family named CF1. So I am going to paste this. So my, okay, So I'm going to create my table. So this CF1 is column family. Yes, it has been created. Table has been created. My table. Then next one is, now what we have done. So we have created the table and column family is CF1. Okay, we have done it. The next one is we are going to list the table. List list. Yes, we have listed the table. We have created the my table. Okay. Then next one is we are going to put the value. Test value, it's a whatever value we can give in the row number, row key we have to give. Then using the column family, already we have given the column family CF1 here. Same only we have to use it, and the column value we have to give. Sorry, this one is column family. This one is CF1 is column family. This one is column name. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to enter here. So just I would like to change my table CF1 C1. Okay. I'm changing the test name only here. I'm putting like Telangana. Okay. Just entering. This is my table name. Put my table name. Then this one is a row number, row key. Then this one is CF1 is a column family. This one C1 is a column name. This Telangana, it's the value. Okay. Then again I'm putting the same one. I'm going to modify it. So row number same only R1. Here I am changing the column name C2. Then here I am putting Hyderabad. Okay. So now I'm going to give enter. No worries friends, we are going to see the final output. Then you can easily understand. Yes, this row has been created it now. Then one more, sorry, yeah, one row, we'll update one more row. So here I'm putting R2. Then here I'm putting like a C1. Okay. Now I'm putting AP. So I'm giving enter. Okay. Then again I'm doing the same. Now I'm putting C2. Now like Amravati. So give enter. Okay, so we have updated two row keys R1 and R2 only. Then R1 we have given the C1 and C2. This C1 C2 it's the column name. Two values, different values we have given. One is like Telangana and Hyderabad, and one more C1 it's AP. C2 is Amravati. For this one is R2 row key. Then we will be getting the output like yeah, scan my table. So scan my table, if we are using this scan command to scan the table and read the data which we have added, then I'm going to scan my table. Yeah, we will be getting the output. So we are going to see. See friends, row one, row key R1, it's showing now. This one is column, then CF1, this CF C1. Column is CF1 colon C1. Value it's Telangana. First Telangana it will come, then Hyderabad it will come, then AP it will come, then Amravati it is coming. So likewise we can put So what timestamp it is worsening information of this big table value, that is a timestamp. Okay, next what we are going to do means we have to delete the table. So disable my table. We need to disable the table. Okay, then next one is drop the table. Yes, we have done it. Then that's it, friends. So press enter. Then finally we need to delete our instance. Don't forget to delete this instance, or else you need to pay for it. Click delete instance. Actually instance, deleting the instance now. Yes, friends, we have done with cloud bigtable. So bigtable, it's a NoSQL database, and it's a fully managed. It's fast and infinitely scalable. And use cases I have given here: IoT, server metrics, time series, this thing, and how to create the cluster. These are the labs, and here I have given the link, the same which I link only I have given it here, and you can see this link, and you can also try from your end. Yes, here also I have given. Okay, thank you so much, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.